Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should have mobile data enabled on the host and Bluetooth turned on now. On both devices, make them discoverable. This helps pairing complete reliably. On the device providing internet, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Find the client device in the list and tap to pair. Accept any PIN prompts on both sides. Once paired, make sure the connection status shows as linked. This is the first concrete step to allow an internet sharing profile to be used. Once paired, you need to enable the Bluetooth tethering profile on the host device. Go to Settings Network/Connections Hotspot and Tethering or Personal Hotspot and toggle Bluetooth tethering on. On some systems, you may instead enable internet sharing and choose Bluetooth as the output. Make that selection. On the client device, select the paired host and request network access if prompted. Make sure the client lists the Bluetooth network as a connected interface. This transfers your mobile data over the Bluetooth PAN. Now verify connectivity by opening a browser or pinging a site from the client. Confirm the Bluetooth network interface has an IP and gateway assigned. If pages won't load, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or turn tethering off then back on. This often reinitializes the PAN. Make sure the host's mobile data is not restricted by battery saver or data saver features. If problems persist, check your carrier plan to ensure Bluetooth tethering is allowed and that you have sufficient data remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.